Airplane mode, I don't need no drama. Everybody know I ain't about that drama, oh yeah. Oh, look at what I started.
Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess, and today I am so excited to finally be showing y'all my new hair color, okay? This is actually going to be an affordable review. So yeah, this hair is from Aliexpress. I know you've heard of this company by the name of Alipearl. They actually have their own site as well. Of course, all that information will be down in the bottom bar. In this video, I'm going to tell you about products I've used. I'm going to tell you about how I got this hair color and more. So stay tuned if you want to see this video. Originally, this was 613 hair that I got from Alipearl, and this is the straight bundles, and I have 24, 24, 22 with a matching 20-inch lace closure, and it all came in the color 613. So what I did was I looked up a few videos because y'all know I've really been into like browns and like siennas, burnt orange type of colors. So I wanted to do a similar color to my hair. I thought it would go great with the color scheme that I've been into lately. I looked up a few videos and I came across a girl by the name of SLAYBYCIARA, okay? And when I watched her video, it's called How to Dye Hair Burnt Orange. When I watched her video, I was like, oh my god, that is the hair color I want. It is so freaking beautiful. It is so unique. I think that mine came out a little bit different from hers because I used a different method from her, but I'm gonna suggest that you watch her video. I actually did a Snapchat tutorial on how I got this look, so if I'm able to include the clips in this video, I will definitely do that for you so that you can see it yourself how I got this color, because again, I did use the watercolor method. Alright, I added my color, and now I'm about to do a test strip and see what this is looking like. It might be a little too orange, I don't know. I kind of want like a burnt orange look. What y'all think? What y'all think of this color? I like it. I'm gonna start from the top of my wig because I want that part to be a little darker, and I'm just gonna dip it in there. Okay, I'm gonna start like that, and then slowly I'm just gonna go for the rest of the wig. And I don't want to put my hands in there because it is so hot. So I'm gonna take my tail comb, I'm just gonna push it in the water until all the water is, until the wig is completely in the water. So this is what the top of the wig is looking like. I think it came out really, really good. This is the color that I wanted. It's like a burnt orange. I know I've been into the full burnt orange, sienna colors. But yeah, I cannot wait to see what this looks like once it is dry, because this looks really good. I'm gonna let it sit in the water for a little while longer. Then I'm gonna condition it and rinse it out. So I basically followed the same exact colors. I used the Adore Me colors, semi-permanent colors. I used a full bottle of copper brown, a full bottle of Cajun spice, and I used half a bottle of the French Cognac, and I put it in the water doing the watercolor method, okay? And I think that it came out so nice. I let it sit in the water for probably like a half an hour or so while I was doing other things, and then I came back to it. I rinsed it out, I conditioned it, rinsed it out again, and then I went to style it. I think that the color came out so freaking rich and beautiful. Like, oh, it's just gorgeous. So I did use all 3 bundles of the hair and the closure. I did do a little bit of customizing to the closure so that it could look sort of like a frontal, so I could have a little bit of room to play with. And how I got this hairstyle is I did a few layers to the front and then I added some curls. And yeah, that's pretty much how I got this look. So far so good with this hair. I definitely don't experience like a whole bunch of shedding. I don't have any problems with tangling. The hair does hold a curl and it does straighten well, so those are great things about the hair. I literally don't have anything negative to say. It didn't come with a smell. I'm not experiencing a whole bunch of shedding. I'm not experiencing any tangling whatsoever. The hair straightens, the hair curls. So it's like it does everything, very versatile, and I literally have no cons, so I would definitely recommend this hair, okay? I'm absolutely in love with my hair. It just reminds me of a true Jessica Rabbit color. And probably on camera it's coming up a little bit more rich in color than it actually is. And I love the watercolor method because you get like variations of the color. So as you can see, there's like some parts that kind of look fiery. Like, do y'all see that? It's like some parts that just look a little bit of a fiery, like yellow, orange, red. I just love how it came out. I love the tones. I just love my hair. Like, I'm so happy with it, and I cannot wait to go out because, you know, for some reason guys absolutely love color. I don't know if anybody else experiences this, but when I wear color in my hair, girl, it brings all the boys to the yard, okay? So I'm gonna have the links to Alipearl Hair. I would highly recommend it. If you're somebody who is thinking of putting color in your hair and you know you don't want to do a million steps, I would recommend that you get Alipearl's 613 because it is perfect, okay? I have no cons. I absolutely love this hair and I will be wearing this a lot because, girl, I just love color. Like, I love color hair. It is so pretty, and I don't think I'll be looking ratchet with my colors. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think down in the comments. Do y'all like this color? Would y'all try this color? Are you gonna try this hair? Have you tried this hair? Let's talk down in the comments. I love y'all so much. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.